In this video, I'm going to show you how to view multiple charts on TradingView. Assuming this GBP USD and you want to view others at the same time separate on the screen. So what you're going to do is just go to the top corner at the left hand side and press this plus icon. Then click on that same pair that is the named pair, that is mine is unnamed. You will see yours as different. Then click on it again. Now as you can see, we have the same GBP USD. So what you're gonna do is just select the second pair that you want to be viewing at the same time. Assuming I want to view gold, so I will select my gold. So I select my gold here. So what I'm gonna do is just right click on this gold and then drag it. As you can see, they have separated themselves. Then click on it and then just press window and right arrow icon, window right arrow, and then you can also press window left arrow, or you can simply just click on the chart, that is the second pair that you want to monitor, which is the GBP USD, and click on it, and that's it. Like window plus right arrow icon or window plus left arrow icon. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to view both the GBP USD and gold at the same time. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful.